Jai Shri Ram friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hindu Queen 369 Psychic and Tarot Reading. So today in this reading we'll try to connect with the spirit of Puneet Rajkumar, the great superstar. So let's see what all messages we can get from his spirit. So let's invite the energies. Master of Masters, please help us to get connected with Puneet Rajkumar's spirit. Puneet Rajkumar, please connect with us with the medium tarot card. Tarot card is the medium. Please connect with us via the medium. Please connect with us. Please connect with us, Puneet Rajkumar. We want to know what exactly happened with you. What is the message for your fans? Please tell us. What is your message for your fans? Please tell us. Please tell us. What is the message for all your fans? Puneet Rajkumar. Please give us the message for all of your fans. Okay, I got two cards. So in this card you can see that there is this house, and in the house you can see from outside that everything is empty. There is nothing in here. You can see that everything is normal. There is nothing to worry. But then if you look at this house, on the roof you can see there are so many people with the weapons. So it looks like the place where he used to stay. There were lots of people who were against him, and he was fighting a battle with these people. This is what I'm getting from this card. And you can also see from outside it's looking normal. Maybe when we looked at his life, things were looking very normal. But then in actual, within the family, there are so many people. There are certain set of people who were against him. Lots of people with weapons, you can see. So definitely there is something which was going on in the house. It's within the house. Somebody was conspiring against him. And with this card, this is 10 of Pentacles. You can see that there is some darker energies here. It is somehow looking as if it's connected with Illuminati also, because you can see that there is this triangle shape connected with the Illuminati, and you can see the dark stars here. So it looks like these are the dark people, the dark stars, and these were definitely connected with Illuminati also. The way he was working for the society, there were so many enemies. You can see these are the dark stars. These are really very dark people and definitely connected with Illuminati. This is what I'm seeing here. It is definitely connected with the Illuminati group which exists. This is what he wants to tell us. There was somebody who was conspiring against him, and things were looking normal, but they were not normal. And there were certain things which were happening which he never approved. And the triangle shape here shows that something was going on which was illegal, or you can say connected with Illuminati. Some wrong things were happening, some dark secrets are there, dark stars are there, dark parties are there. So maybe the social work which he was doing, there were certain dark elements who were not happy with it, and they were trying to do wrong things with what he was doing, maybe whatever he was doing. So there were a set of people, group of people connected with Illuminati who were finding it difficult to run their business because of his presence, and it is somehow connected with Illuminati here. And you can again see this card, and this child is standing on this snake, and this snake is nothing but the negative people, the poisonous people in his life. So as I told you, he was a threat to these people, to the people who were running the drug business, who were doing illegal things. So he was threat for them, and that was the reason of the conflict in the house, or in the company, or wherever he was connected to. So because he was not approving these illegal things to happen, the snake, you can see he was standing on this snake, and he was not allowing this snake to spread its venom, to spread its negative thing in the society. And that was the reason he created many enemies within the group, within the party, within the house. And these were the people who were there with weapons within the house. So it looks like all the people who were there around him when he was dead, at that time, all those people who were there surrounding him are really very much involved in this. So all those people who were within, you can say, within 8 kilometers or 800 meters of his death, All those people who were within 800 meters of his death are somehow connected with his death, or 8 kilometers. So it is very significant number. 8 number is very significant here. So it looks like he was not approving certain illegal things. He was against them, and that was the reason he created many enemies. And these enemies are somehow connected with him, maybe within his house, maybe any guard or any other person who was around him at the time of his death are somehow connected to this. And he was also targeted by the secret society or the Illuminati group. This is what I'm getting here. Let's get more clarity from Puneet Rajkumar. Puneet, please tell us what else you want to tell us. Your fans want to know what is your message for them. Please give us the message. Puneet Rajkumar, please give us your message for your fans. What is your message for your fans? So there is this Queen of Pentacles here. There is somebody who is financially very strong, and this lady is going to get all the property or something. This lady is somehow connected. Let's get more clarity. And then there is Two of Pentacles. So it looks like somebody is very closely connected with Puneet Rajkumar, who is involved in the entire episode, and will be getting the share of his property, will be getting property from what all he left. And this is making him sad. It looks like, because this is again 8 number. I told you 8 number is very significant. He was very strong. He was not allowing this snake to spread the venom or to somehow, destroy things. And then there was conspiracy in the house. So what exactly happened is, there was lots of conspiracy in the house. The reason was he was not allowing illegal things to happen, and now his spirit is very sad. He is in a very sad state right now. This is what I'm getting. His spirit is really sad, and he's feeling abandoned. He's feeling sad. He is disappointed. And what all happened to him, because this lady, she is Queen of Pentacles, and he is just 8 of Pentacles he has here. So what I'm getting here is that there is definitely somebody involved. This can be a lady, somebody in the politics. Somebody is definitely involved, and along with this person, this lady created the entire thing. This is what I'm getting. So there is some political person involved in this, and this is what Puneet Rajkumar knows. His spirit is really sad right now. This is what he wants to tell to his fans, that he is not happy with what all happened to him, because this lady and this person, Two of Pentacles, they conspired against him, and he was finally dead. So this is what I'm getting here. And this is his energy. He is definitely not happy wherever he is. And if precisely I have to tell you, then the thing is that he was against certain illegal things which are happening. He was not approving them. Ultimately, within the house, there was conspiracy against him. People were, they are loaded with weapons. So there are chances that maybe some of the family members were in touch of those people who are from secret societies or illegal people, and then finally he was killed. So if you see at this card, this is his spirit, and he is not happy right now. All the cards are 8 number cards. 8 number is very much connected with him. This is what I'm getting. So it looks like his spirit is not happy. He is very sad, and somebody betrayed him. It's a conspiracy against him. It's definitely an assassination which I'm getting. It's not a normal death. And the people who are involved definitely involves a lady and this man who is not very strong, very high in the hierarchy. But this person can be somebody who is from the security prospect, who was there as his security, or somebody who was very close with him. So this person, for some finances, for some money, did this and created this situation. It looks like somebody who was very close to Puneet Rajkumar got money for what all thing he was asked to do. So this is what I'm getting here. Somebody who was very close to him betrayed him, and definitely secret society is also involved in this, which is the Illuminati group. So Puneet Rajkumar, please give us one final card, which will be the most significant card in the entire reading. One final card, please. Okay, exactly. So as I told you, his spirit is not happy right now, and this is what we are getting from this card. His spirit is very sad. He is He is like isolated, and he's sitting at one place, feeling physically and mentally and emotionally drained, because people whom he trusted, they killed him. He trusted those people and they killed him, and his spirit is very sad. He is unable to, unable to agree to it that he is no more. So he is very sad and he is crying because he was betrayed by somebody for money, because this is the card of pentacles. So his spirit is definitely sitting at in a place which is very much isolated, maybe a room in his house wherever he used to stay, the same building. His spirit is there in a particular room and he is sitting there. He has not left for heaven, and his spirit is very sad because this was not his time. He had more days, more months, more years to live. And this is a sudden death which was not, his time was not yet, and he died because of the conspiracy against him. So that's the reason his spirit is still roaming and he is very sad. His spirit is currently in the place where he used to stay, in the same house, in a particular room. He is there. He has not left for heaven. And there is this lady who is definitely involved in this, can be a political leader, can be somebody connected with politics very strongly. So this is what I'm getting in this reading. And I told you, as I told you, somebody was conspiring against him in the house. Everything was looking normal. Maybe if he was associated with any organization, within that organization people were, they were conspiring against him. Red flag is there. So things were not as simple, as okay as it used to look like. He had many enemies. This is what I'm telling you. So many weapons, so many people. He was surrounded with these people, and he was not aware that he is surrounded by people who are there to kill him on an order, once they get order from the higher command. So definitely Illuminati group is also involved, which is what I'm seeing here. Illuminati group is definitely involved because he was into social work, and that was the reason why these people created problem for him and wanted to eliminate him, and they did it. So this is what I'm getting. So thank you, Puneet, for helping us to get the answers by medium of Lost Share of Nostradamus. Thank you so much, and I request you to please be strong, and your spirit should stay strong, and you will definitely get justice. What all happened to you will definitely come in public, and people will come to know, because your fans are praying for your spirit. They want your spirit to be strong. So things will definitely come into limelight. People will come to know what exactly has happened with you. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching me. And this was a this was just a spirit talk. So this was the spirit talk with Puneet Rajkumar, and I hope you like it. And most of the fans of Puneet Rajkumar were requesting me to make a video on it. I also wanted to make the video, so I've just, as soon as I got time, I've made this video. I hope you got answers to many questions which were there. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bharat.